Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have an unboxing to share with you and something that I just really got lucky and scored a really big item. So it's mainly for my craft room. But I wanted to open this. This is from Nicole from Nicole's Silhouettes, and she has her metal dice out. And look at all these stamps. I love it. They're all different. I love, love, love it. Thank you, Nicole. And she put, thank you for your order. Let me get this open over here off camera. I don't mind my address if you see it, because I'm not going to have this address for in a few months. It will not be mine. Oh gosh. If there's one thing I'll say for sure, Nicole, you have some really sturdy packaging. Ouch. It was so strong it stuck to my fingers. So I ordered her die sets. Oh, she got a little note and a sticky for me. Oh, she gave me some. Oh my goodness. Oh, she gave me a stencil. I have this one. I ordered that from the last order. Let me read the note first. What? Oh, you would love it. Oh, she said, sending you my own mug set because I have a feeling you would love it. I hope you do. I hope you do not mind. I have used it one time. Hugs, Nicole. Nicole! Oh, yes, girl. No, I do not mind one penny, one bit. It's a free gift. This is the die set that she designed, and it's inspired off of Mickey. She had made the little Mickey mugs, and she was holding back sharing it or selling it at one time because of the copyright. And then finally, the copyright on this image of, Mickey inspired image was lifted or it expired, so she was able to sell her dies, and I'm so happy. And I totally forgot she had these dies. I would have bought it if it was in her shop. If I saw it, I would have bought it, but I didn't see it. So thank you, Nicole. And once again, this is her card. She's on YouTube, Instagram, and also on her Etsy. Oh, you're welcome, Nicole. You're so welcome. Thank you for the beautiful dies. And she put some fun stickers. You're doing great. Do your thing. She believed she could, so she did. And then keep smiling. How cute. So this order was mainly the add-ons. I got the face add-on. This is sold separate. I think I ordered that already, but I'm not sure. It's okay. If I have doubles, it's good for me because I can cut more than one. And then this was the crafty add-on. So she has the crafty beret, I want to call it. Comes with a bow. It has hands. These are hands right here. You know what? Let me just take it out of the packaging. And she's got her name on it. How awesome is that? So you know you're getting her dies. Oh my gosh. How cute. Yeah, so these two here, these two images are the hands. So you can add it to the girls so your dolls can hold on to some stuff. She's got a glue bottle. She's got a little die cutting machine, the base and the front flap. And then you've got some other details here like a stamper, some butterflies. Oh my gosh, some microscopic gingies. Some bows. Oh, that's so pretty. I think this is a tape runner. I don't know what this might be. An ink pad. Might be. These two are like, oh, not tape runner. These are for the scissors. So these two are layers for the scissors. And then these are the layers for the pliers. A little bow again. And this is the center for her bow. This one right here. The little glue. Very cute. I had to have that. And, because all the girls that we've got, the dolls, you want to give them stuff to hold. And if you don't have ephemera, you can always make her your ephemera. And then, oh my gosh, I don't know the name of this doll. So this is another doll that accessories. So she's got the hair. another blouse, some flowers. Oh my gosh, I don't know the name of this one. I'm gonna have to pull it up. It's got little sweater vests to go over the blouse, some hairstyles, really cute. Oh, and she got hands too. And then here's the collar detail for her shirt, little belt going on, and her bows, layered bows. How cute. Oh gosh, I wish I knew what her name was. Can't recall at the moment. So I will find out. And again, I'll leave the link in the description box below. This is like a birthday set. So here's a present. This is a present, not a cake. I mean, it could be a cake. You can make it a cake, but it's mainly a present. And then she's got her little bow to go over the front of the cake, her balloons, her little champagne bottles, ties for the balloons, some really tiny stars and hearts. Fun, fun, fun. Oh gosh, look at these little tiny hearts. But goodness. Okay. So that is it for the unboxing for the Happy Mail. Thank you, Nicole. This got here really quick. I was really nervous to place my order because I was thinking it wouldn't get to me before I moved, but it got here with plenty of time to spare. So check out Nicole's Silhouettes and Nicole's Paper Crafts on Etsy. You won't be disappointed. She is the designer for many of these dies companies that we support. So check out Nicole. She does have her own line of some stamps, some dies, and once she sells out, usually she won't restock. But just depending on how popular the dies are, that depends on how she will restock it. So go check her out, guys. I had so much fun playing with this. As a matter of fact, let me pull it out. I think. Oh boy, where did I put it? Oh, there. Yep, here they are. I put it in this little Dollar Tree pouch. All my girls, and I love it. And this was using two of the girls. San is the base, and then Lily, I believe. I think it was Lily, San and Lily. And so these are the girls. Look, I even flipped the hair so that it could go to the other shoulder. And that's what they look like right there. Really cute. And I can't wait to like use the crafty sets and the birthday sets. That'll be fun. Fun, fun, fun. And then just put them on cards, right? That would be a great idea. So that is it, based on your friend. And you have so many different hairstyles. I love it. And she also has the boys. I haven't played with the boy die cut set. Now that I'm packing up and moving, I don't see myself playing with it for a while, at least until we get to our destination. But thank you so much, Nicole, even for the free gift. I appreciate it. You don't have to do that, but I will make use of this. This is so cute. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. You guys, I'm sorry, I forgot to show you what I picked up. So I was taking a donation to Goodwill, and this lady was getting rid of her stuff. She was donating too, and this was the last thing she pulled out of her car. And the minute I saw this, my jaw dropped. And I was like, oh, I need that. I was like, wow. And she's like, oh, do you want it? Da, da, da. I'm donating it. Do you want it? And the guy who was receiving was saying, it hasn't crossed our threshold. If you want it, you can have it. And I'm like, oh my God. Okay. And I took it. I didn't want anyone to second guess me or to, change my mind about it. So I just picked it up and put it into my car. So I have a mannequin or a dress form or whatever you want to call it. I'm excited because so many ideas are running through my head as to how I could decorate it for the holidays and also just to decorate it for my craft room. And this would be a great display for my lays when I do graduation lays. That will help me a lot when I'm taking my photos. So this is going to be great. I thank that lady so much. Yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to share that. Lucky find, lucky me.